Greetings, my name is Suhani Sharma and I'm from Chandigarh. In my research, I explored existing methods and developed a more optimal approach to form deployable structures, which are dynamic systems that can change their shapes and transform between multiple geometric configurations when you push, pull, or move their parts. They have applications in areas like space satellites where they have minimal space to store large sheets like these. I developed a new algorithmic framework to thread 2D nets so that when you pull on the string, you can recreate the 3D polyhedron. My algorithm, based on the principle of graph threading, allows us to identify the best holes to thread through to create an efficient threading pattern that reduces the number of turns and string length, lowering friction and costs. I successfully tested the algorithm by designing and laser cutting nets of different shapes, including cube nets. Nets of a dodecahedron and a pentagonal prism. The prototypes helped validate the algorithm and showed which nets were easier to deploy. This project enhances efficiency in social and business applications like quick-to-deploy relief shelters and deployable shipping containers by simplifying tasks with user-friendly designs. Thank you.